Hello CS50, I'm Piotr Jóźwik, I come from Poland, and this is the presentation of my final project, which is a Windows app called clipboard. I decided to create a program that will help at my work with finding an item in a stock. Our ERP system is faulty and we had to use Excel file to update the stock with products we made, which are spot guards for witchers. Here you can see a draft of graphics I made for this project. Clipboard is a game of words, where byte is not just a unit of memory, but in this case a chunk of leaf bitten off by an ant. I was inspired by the ant species from Amazonia, which cut leaves and transport them to the hive. I wanted quick, small, and convenient app to bring this piece of data to a database, hive, and give the result of searching. Here is the folder of the app. I decided to use for this purpose Electron, which helps build cross-platform desktop apps using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, technologies I was familiar with due to CS50 course and some Udemy courses I have taken before. As you can see, the app emerged where the cursor was. It was made on purpose to have as quick access to the view as possible. This is the main process file for the Electron application. You can easily see the X and Y coordinates for the startup position of the cursor. It is responsible for creating the application window at the cursor's location on the screen and handling system events. It also contains IPC handlers for various operations such as opening a file dialog, saving and retrieving databases paths, and confirming database removal. Here you can see the names given for two columns, name and number. The CSV file should be prepared in this way, respectively. I made that choice because this app is made for narrow purpose, for now. This is the HTML file that is loaded into an application window created by main.js. It contains the user interface of the application, including buttons for adding and removing databases, input fields for searching databases, and other interactive elements. Let's open the app again. This select menu shows the chosen databases. You can add another by using this plus button. Here I've just connected a CSV file for transparent spot guards. Using the minus button I can remove the database from the list. The app will ask you for confirmation. You can close the window for now. In this field I can type or paste the text I'm looking for. It can be as little as 3 digits or letters next to each other, and the app will find it among the names of all the rows in the database. When I type 000, the program will search for it and give me more results. All of the names will populate the results field, and each actively selected row will show the amount in the result field. By pressing the plus button, I can increase the number by 0.5, which is a half of a spot guard set. To update the database with the new value, just press OK. I can easily reverse my last action in case of mistake by going to Edit menu or pressing Ctrl Z.